Hey guys, welcome back. I am coming on to play along with my She's Crafty Kit series, and I am working through sketches while I do it from Christy's Beautiful Life series 13. Now I have all kinds of putting the kits together videos and all that kind of stuff, so I'm going to just jump right in, do a quick flip through. I've got this chartreusey kind of cardstock, a very sturdy-gurdy piece of pattern paper from 49 and Market, and then a few cool pieces from Cartabella. What do we have here? And from Vicky Boutin. So fab. Let me show you my sketch. This was from Gloria Montrose or Montrose. So we've got a background, of course, and then some strips going this way. Photo, title, a bit of a visual triangle once we do the L. Perfect. Now, this should be pretty fun because I get to decide on some things. Do I want this? Oh, I should show you my photo too, which I do have to mat. This is my daughter, my youngest daughter, and this is when she went on a cruise. So she's facing that way, so my L will be in this kind of a vibe. What I think I'm going to do is have this be my background, and then let me find, guys, I already lost the sketch. Where's the sketch, guys? Come on. Oh, there it is. Then I will just go ahead and tear and some of these pieces, scuffy them all up, and see what we get. So let's see. Does not have to be perfect because it will not be. I am not the perfect scrapper. I don't have that capability. Nope, sure don't. So let's go ahead and get some torn bits. I don't like when I have these super pokey peaks. So we're going to do something like that. I'm going to do the same exact thing again. So let's go ahead and just use the other side. I was going to go ahead and use my scissors or my trimmer, but I was like, yeah, we'll work it out. And I can also always go ahead and trim things up and make them smaller and all of that kind of stuff when I need to, which I will in a moment because I'm going to have to mat my photo and stuff. All right, so we're going to have a couple pieces doing the L to start, right? Right. Now, we also are fortunate enough to have this right here, this Vicky Boutin piece. And I like the idea of trying to get some of the blue as well as the chartreusey scrap that I have. I have some right here too. I've got a couple bits of it. So I can hold this for my photo, you know, for the matting of my photo. And then what else to tell you guys? I have all kinds of stuff. I have got this whole sticker book, right? I've got some pattern papers, and I've got these super bright Simple Stories retro fun foam bits. So I've got lots and lots and lots. Not going to be a problem for this girl to get some traction. So I'm going to make that L. I need to mat my photo a number of times and make sure things look kind of scuffy. And then guys, I'm going to come right back and we're going to start putting this together. I'm not going super wide on some of these because I'm trying to get like 4 strips out of this. Phew. So let me work for a little bit, all that kind of stuff, and I'll meet you right back. So I do have these pieces cut, and I did mat my layout with a piece of this paper right here. It's very pretty, this Vicky Boutin paper. Now I have 3 sheets that are also in this kit that I had put together. So I'm going to go ahead and triple mat this layout. I'll have the deeper blue in the background, that's fine. And this one I kind of having on hand because I can cut out a few little elements. I think that's going to be my plan for that. I like to have little bits of things to work with. Then the next thing for us to think about, and clearly I need to get all of this mess tacked down. Let's see, it wasn't summer. She went for, swimsuit works, obviously. Oh, look at the little swimmy. Beach is great. Nice tan I could use. I can use so many of these little, I like this sunshine. Kind of wouldn't mind like sunshine or swimsuit and sunshine. I don't know. What do you guys think? Vacation would be good. Happy days I can use for anything. So that's the kind of thing, like if it's a vacation pick or a beach pick, I try to use things that are super specific like that. You can use so fun anytime. Happy days, anytime. So it's just one of those things I tend to do, you know. So I love this big beach too, because it's going to bring in these pinks and these other colors that aren't, you know, currently in our goodies. And then when I go ahead and start decorating up my wood pieces, I can make them match, you know, in these brighter little bits and pieces. So we have a plan. I need to start sticking things down. I think in the meantime, once I do that, I'm going to go ahead and color up my wood pieces and see how many of these little treasures I can get used, because I would love to kill off, please let me kill off some of these little die cut packs. I have too many of these hanging out. So let me get working. I've got a little homework to do, and I'll meet you back here when I have some trash. Guys, the lighting seems so weird. It's been bright. It's been dark. It's been every freaking kind of gloominess under the sun. So let me show you what I've done. I went ahead to a previous kit, not a previous kit. You know how I have the other kits I did before this? And there were these pink fresh frames. You know, I've got my handy dandy little bin of leftover goodies. And guys, I want to get these frames used. So I made some shakers. These sequins were in this kit. You know how I'm culling the sequin herd as well. It's quite the thing. By the way, favorite new scissors, these cute little ones from Tim Holtz. These things are fantastic. Anyhow, so I ended up having 3 little frames. I think they're adorable. I think they're great. So let's take a look at this. Oh, and I've got my photo down. Everything's down. That's here. I just need to go ahead. I've got this here. Where's this piece? Okay, so if we do this, photos here. So yeah, I can have a big embellishment here. And then these are the same size. Let's see. How about, ooh, this is kind of cute with little joys going this way. And it's kind of a visual triangle. So I wonder if I should do something kind of like that. Maybe kind of like that. And guys, I don't care if things get super dimensional when I do them. I love the lump and the bump. So that is, you know, I am all for that. I like that piece coming over there because you can see it just a little better. Now I could do something like this if I put like a little connector. That's just a little fussy cut floral piece that I got from, hold on, from this sheet right here. I did go ahead. Can you guys see over here all of these itty bitty little pieces? I cut them out of that sheet. Ooh, what if I do a connector with this? I think that would be great. And I could cover this word weekend because it wasn't really a weekend. They were just on a cruise. Actually, I don't even know what days they were on it, but it's not like this is what they do every weekend, right? So let's go ahead and do that. I'm going to have this piece be right above that mark. This is almost the color of that chartreusey color there. It's yellow, but it's like super close, right? And then I've got this big old sticker piece, and I want to make sure it covers that word. Okay. About equal amount going down, and then like that. And it totally is going to cover that sentiment, and then they're still also hanging out locked together. Okay. Hello, like that. And since I have like the same floral, but it was just in a, sorry, hold on. Trying to make it kind of equal. I've got the same floral, but I think I'm going to go ahead and have it go on a bit of a diagonal. That would totally work for me as well. Just using those fussy cut little treasures, guys. Using the treasures. I don't want to cover the entire thing, so we can go like that. Perfect. So at this point, guys, look at all, oh, I've got to get my little cute guys put down, my little wood veneer guys. I have so many cute little bits and pieces on here to help tell this story, and I am here for it, guys. I think it is adorable. Let's put my little ice cream on a wonk. But yes, I have all kinds of things going on. All kinds. Look at those fun clusters, all kinds of things from like the sheets of paper that I popped out. Look at how cute just those little details can be, guys. I am such a fan of what pattern paper can do for your layouts. So at this point, all I have left is I've got some puppy dots, I've got some enamel dots, and I've got some sequins. So I'm gonna pop a few little things around in clusters, guys, and I am going to call this one a day. So, y'all, I'm going to have some still shots to follow. Thank you so much for sticking with me while I'm just going off creating all of the things. And guys, I'm going to see you guys ever so soon with another video. Actually, I'm having so much fun. We have a Baby Got Scraps coming in January, and I'm low-key going, oh my gosh, I have got to get traction. And then I already started seeing some things for March's Christy's Beautiful Life Series 14. So clearly, I have got to get busting on these different kits that I've put together because I have zero intention of having 4,000 kits in this room. That's what I have to say to you. So I'm going to keep going, and I will see you guys ever so soon with another video. Bye for now, friends.